Hello, creepy cuties. It is a high pain day, so I won't be doing a lot of creative work, but I did get some makeup on clearance and I thought y'all would want to see. Firstly, I got a few things on clearance at JCPenney Beauty for my kit because it is about to be bridal season. And a lot of these I'm taking a risk because I haven't tried them before, but they are all vegan and cruelty free and screamed bridal to me, and they were on hella clearance, so I'm excited to try. First is these Mineral Fusion Velvet Finish Lippies. Do let me know if you've used these lipsticks. I was looking at these shades and said yes. It's Jason Woo. This was like a holiday kit. I'm gonna have just like a basic matte nude, and I love the size of this. It's very compact. This is Shades by Shan. So this was a Lipgloss Trio. The shades Misha, Cocoa, and Lo-Fi. And I believe those are named after the team's pups, which is so cute. And then I also got some brushes because why not? It also comes with 2 sponges, which I probably won't use for clients, so more sponges for me. Of all the basics, so I was like, heck yeah, you can never have enough brushes, and they are made with vegan fibers. Oh, she's so soft. Oh my god. And this is very satisfying. Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and this one is all for me. I'm very excited. Their cute little packaging. Shout out to Courtney Quarantine because I did use their code. If you guys are not following, you should check them out because they are a talented bead. Up palette. I'm really excited about this color story. This feels so nice. Oh, she's so cute. I really like the way this is broken up. Just the shiny ones right away. Okay, more to come. Heard amazing things about Blend Bunny's formulas, so I'm so excited. Most definitely film a get ready with me first impressions for the old YT, and share some things here as well. Blend Bunny Ellis collaboration. That palette looks beautiful as well. These are some of the lashes around. So these are the Starburst lash clusters. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. Okay, so here's the packaging. And then I was like, I'm gonna need 2. I also got some Lippies. Love Robert Welsh. This is from the collaboration. There's a palette and 2 lip glosses, I believe. I would love to play with them all, but I did choose the purple gloss. Look at her. Kidding me? Oh, because my loneliness is killing me, and I'm keeping this in. Last but not least. Oh shit, what am I even doing anymore? Love this spring floral packaging. I got Moody and Runway. Y'all probably expected nothing less from me. I should put the purple gloss on top of these. Oh my gosh. And to play, you guys. I wish I had more energy, but chronic pain, girly things. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the packaging. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I might just swatch these on my hand before I leave you guys. All right, so here's the shades as they're drying down, plus that gloss. Are you kidding me? So bottom kind of mauve-y color is Moody, Runway, and then the color, oh my god, this gloss smells like something from my childhood. Robert, please tell me what it is. Is it just grape? What's happening? I love it. We put Betrayal on my lips. There's nothing on my lips. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. What does it remind me of? Gosh, it's beautiful. Wait, this applicator is so interesting. I've never had a gloss applicator like this. I'm into it. It's like a little spatula. But here's this just with my window light. It just has like this tint of purple and the shimmer is perfect. It's not like chunky glitter. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to layer and play with this. Okay, that's all for now. I'll report back later. Yeah, I believe.